Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Kirk in Texas on the Stryker SR-955. Kirk, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our full truckerized package, tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrades, wideband transmit receive mods, ERF 2030 plus mods. This thing is ready to rock and roll. We did go ahead per your request, went ahead and went in there and unlocked the clarifier in the menu for you. There's a lot of functions in the menu. There's a noise gate in there if you're in a noisy environment. There's a compressor and so forth, just a lot of different things. But I'm going to show you what we got here with the RF power all the way down first. 50 watt slug. Got you about 1.5 watts all the way down. That way if you side around amp, you got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. Just a hair over 20 watts. Show you average power swing, audio, 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 audio. 50 watts PEP. I'm sorry, average. 250 watt slug and PEP. Hello, hello, audio. About 110 PEP. We'll go over to sideband real quick. 250 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. About 100, 105 on sideband. Alright, Kirk, it's ready to go. It's a really nice rig. I think you're really going to enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.